Hi fans, do not be stubborn when staying in the hotel during the Hungry Ghost Festival. The traditional Chinese Ghost Month is from August 4 to September 2nd. During this period of time, if you unavoidable need to travel out of your country or city for work or for other purpose, inevitable, you might want to stay in a hotel. And today I will give you some tips to avoid paranormal activity. So listen up. Avoid staying on level 18. Traditionally believe that there is 18 level of underworld. Avoid that to prevent those wandering spirit mistaken level 18 is their home. Avoid room number ending by 18, 81, 79, 97, 36, 63, 24, 42. These are the inauspicious number. Avoid the number might avoid some unwanted event. Do not stay at the room at the end of the corridor. As you know, hotel room at the end of the corridor usually is very quiet, and so they become the perfect place for wandering spirit to be resting there. Unless you want to join them, please avoid this room. When you open up the hotel room, usually you will find Bible or Quran in the hotel room. But if you step in the room and you see the Bible and Quran is open up and place it on the table, haha, you should know what is happening to the room. Request change of room immediately. Next, as you open up the hotel room door and you see the curtain slightly move, it might be wind and it might be some good friend is staying in the room. Don't be adventurous. Request a change of room. Next, when you put your hotel room key in the slot, usually the light will light up automatically. But after trying twice and the light seems like not working, request a change of room. And next, when you step into the hotel room and you can see the mirror is facing the bed, request a change of room, because I don't think you want to see other person's face in the mirror during the night. Next, when you open up the door, a very unpleasant odor in the room might not be just a cleaning issue. During ghost month, it might be some residue of some spirit present. Next, if you happily get your key and pull your luggage to your hotel room, and from far you see a dim light outside a hotel door and happen that is your room, without second thought, request a change of room. So that are the some tips you might want to consider to avoid some supernatural encounter. But if you are having a sensitive physique and still worried about encountering wandering spirit, my advice is to carry this 10 coin, specially choose and blessed by me. You can put it in your pocket, you can put it in your handbag or luggage bag, or even behind your cell phone. It will form a powerful energy aura to fence off those unwanted encounters. So if you are interested, click on the link below to purchase, or you can click on my profile picture and go to my profile page and you will get to know how to contact me. Or you can leave me a private message. I will reply to you ASAP. So I wish you safe trip, happy journey. I see you next time. Bye.